Hey, Flurbird, Son here. So maybe you're like me and you like to copy stuff around in your levels when you're creating levels, like Alt and drag. That's nice. But what you also can do is something completely different. Let me show you. If you right click an object and you say like copy, then you can click somewhere and then you can right click and say paste here, and that works. Now, you can make this even better by going to your editor preferences and search for paste here. Now, basically type in like the command that you want to use. I like Control Shift plus V. That's like Control V is like paste and Control Shift V is like paste here. So now if I copy something and I click and I paste here. Click, paste here, paste here, and this makes life a lot easier for a level designer. You can drag stuff around and it's really easy. You can also like do this with your mannequin, but remember you paste at the pivot point, and that's the thing. If you liked this video, you know what to do. If you didn't like it, you also know what to do. This is Flurbird out. Bye.